back, my friends. Welcome to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today my recipe is going to be green rice, a Mexican traditional green rice with poblano peppers that you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have some stallions, green poblano peppers, green tomatoes, cilantro, 3 garlic cloves, 1 cup of rice, vegetable oil, and I cannot wait to start with the recipe. I know that you will love it and it's very easy to prepare. So let's get started. What I like to do first is rinse my rice completely. And this is how I do it. I just make sure that I rinse it very, very good. I like to rinse it for about 3 to 4 minutes just to make sure that we have all the starch out completely. And your rice will come out super fluffy and tender. By doing this, we are removing the starch, the extra starch. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it here and just let it rinse completely before I start cooking it. I am going to rinse my veggies. These are my organic veggies. I grow them at home. Okay. I am ready to start with my recipe. I am ready to assemble the juice for my green rice. I'm going to add the cilantro, the green tomatoes. Look how beautiful they look. The poblano chilies. Just make sure you take the seeds off completely. Look how beautiful my green tomatoes look. This rice my family really loves and enjoys. And I'm gonna add my 3 garlic cloves and a little bit of water. Okay, I am ready to blend. Okay, this is well blended. Now we're going to the stove to start cooking my green rice. See you over there. My pan is hot. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And I'm going to add my rice. And we are just going to mix just for a few minutes. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And I'm going to mix. And I am ready to add my salsa, green salsa. We are going to mix. And we are going to reduce the flame to medium low until this is completely done. But I'll show you that step. We're gonna mix, and then we are going to cover it, and we'll see you in about 10 to 15 minutes when this rice is completely done. See you in a little bit. I wanted to show you how it started already cooking, boiling. I'll see you in a little bit, my friends. I wanted to show you that my rice is done. Look how soft it is. I can't wait to taste it. See you. I am ready to get my stallions ready for my green rice. I'm gonna reserve one, and I'm just gonna cut. This rice is about to be done, and I can't wait to taste it. This stallion is going to be just for decoration to sprinkle on the top of my green rice. See you when I'm ready to taste this delicious green rice. My green rice is done. I can't wait to taste it. Want to show it to you. Look how beautiful this looks. Let's see, because this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. Excuse me. With the garnish of my onion, my stallion. Delicious. Excuse me. Nice and tender. The taste of the poblanos, you can really taste them. Let's see. To this rice, you could add perfect for shrimp, carne asada, for grilled chicken. This is just the perfect rice. I hope that you could cook it at home. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really appreciate it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so whenever I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And I'm staying, of course, with my delicious green rice. Bye-bye.